All right, so let's continue with the oxidation, right? So for the compound that's been oxidized, that's ion 2 and ion 3. So I'm taking ion 2 here and ion 3. So I'm having Fe2 plus and then Fe3 plus. Now there's nothing to add here, right? We don't have O on the left, we don't have O on the right, so there's no anything we're adding. So but what do we want to do here? We have to balance the charge. If you look at it, the number of molecules are the same. We have one at the front here and one here, right? The only thing that is different here is the charges. There's a 2 here and there's a 3 here. So on this side we have 3. On this side we have 2. We have a 2 here and we have a 3 here, right? So what's the thing I want to do here now? What I want to do here is to reduce the bigger side, that is the side with the highest charge. I'll reduce it, right? And the side with the biggest charge is this side. Here has a 3, so I have to reduce this 3 to 2, right? How do I reduce it? I have to add 1. If you want to reduce 3, you have to minus or subtract 1 from 3, right? So I'm subtracting 1, which means I'm adding 1 electron on this side. Are you getting what I'm saying? So I'm going to have Fe2 pluses and Fe3 pluses, then I'm adding 1 electron, right? 1 electron to reduce it to 2, right? Now the next thing I want to do is to combine both the reduced and the oxidized. That is this one now, this one that I just finished, and this one. I'm going to combine them together. So from here I'm combining them now. I'm having MnO4 minus. So for the oxidized, I'm having MnO4 minus plus 8H pluses, and then plus 5 electrons, right? And that's for the left. And for the right, I'm having Mn2 plus plus 4 molecules of water. That's 4H2O. So I have 4H2O. This for the oxidized. And for the reduced, I'm having Fe2 plus and then Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus, then plus 1 electron, right? Now the next thing to do here is think of it as like an equation, a simultaneous equation. This should be equation 1, this one is your equation 1, this one is your equation 2, right? So what do you want to do with these equations? You want to make sure that both equations have the same thing, right? That is, they have the same number of electrons. In this place where I have 5 electrons, in this place I have 1 electron. Let me explain the concept properly for you. What I'm trying to explain is this: since we have 5 electrons here, we must have 5 electrons here too. What's the reason? The reason is because it's called an equation. So whatever is on the left must be the same on the right. So we cannot have 1 electron here and 5 electrons here. It's not possible. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So what do I want to do? I'm going to multiply this whole equation 2. This is your equation 2, right? And this is your equation 1, right? I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 5 and multiply equation 1 by 1. Are you getting what I'm saying? So I'm multiplying equation 2 by 5. So what I'm saying is the whole of this equation 2 now, I'm multiplying it by 5, right? So that everything here can look like this. Are you getting what I'm saying? And everything here, I'm going to multiply it by 1. I'm multiplying everything here by 1. So if I start with this one, if you use 1 to multiply everything here, it's going to remain the same, right? 1 times everything here is going to give me the same thing. So 1 times MnO4 minus is going to give me MnO4 minus. And 1 times 8H plus is going to give me plus 8H pluses, right? Then plus 1 times 5 electrons is going to give me 5 electrons. And then I have 1 times Mn2 plus is going to give me Mn2 pluses, plus 1 times 4H2 is going to give me 4H2O. That is after using 1 to multiply. And then for the second one, I'm using 5 to multiply. So 5 times this 5 is going to multiply the molecule here. So 5 times 1 is going to give me 5 Fe2 pluses, right? And then that's equal to 5 times Fe3 plus is going to give me 5 Fe3 pluses, then plus 5 times 1 electron is going to give me 5 electrons. Are you seeing that? So now I've achieved it. I've made both equation 1 and equation 2 have the same electron. Now I can cancel out. I can slash this and slash this, right? So what I have left is MnO4 minus plus 8H pluses. This is not there again, it's gone. And then I'm having Mn2 pluses plus 4H2O, right? This is what I have for equation 1. And then for equation 2, I have 5 Fe2 pluses and 5 Fe3 pluses. That's all I have left. The 5 electrons, they are gone, right? So now I want to combine it. I'm combining everything on the left hand side with equation 1 and equation 2. That is, I'm merging it together now. So I'm going to merge everything in equation 1 and everything in equation 2, right? But how do I do this? I'm going to achieve this by picking everything on the left from equation 1 and everything on the left from equation 2. You get what I'm saying? From equation 1, I'm picking everything on the left, and from equation 2, I'm picking everything on the left. So from equation 1, I'm having MnO4 plus 8H pluses. That's everything on the left for equation 1. And for the equation 2, everything on the left there is 5 Fe2 pluses, right? And then for the right hand side, equation 1, I'm having Mn2 plus 4H2O. Then for equation 2, everything on the right there is plus 5 Fe3 pluses, right? So let's check if the equation is balanced. We have Mn1 here and Mn1 here balanced. We have oxygen. Oxygen is 4 here. Oxygen is 4 here balanced. We have hydrogen 8 here. 8 here balanced. We have iron 5 here. 5 here balanced. Now let's check. The equation is balanced, right? Let's check the charges, if the charges are balanced. For the charges, I have 1 times there's a minus here, right? So I have 1 times minus 1 gives me minus 1, plus 8 times plus 1 gives me 8. Are you there? Plus 5 times plus 2, that gives me 5 times, that's give me 10, right? And then for the other side, I'm having 1 times 2 pluses, that's giving me 2, plus 4 times 0 here, giving me 0, plus 5 times 3 here, giving me 15, right? So here we have minus 1 plus 8 is 7, and 7 plus 10 is 17. That's everything on the left, right? And then for this side, I'm having 2 plus 15 giving me 17. So the equation is balanced. The charges are as well balanced. So this is the balanced equation. Please, if you love this video, do like it and share it to especially students that are preparing for exams. Thank you.